Morning students. We will continue the remaining problems of maximum and minimum concept. Okay, what are the yesterday we completed two problems from 6.5 exercise. Maximum and minimum. Okay, find the maximum and minimum values if any of the following functions given by. So third problem. One by third. F of x is equal to. Okay, we'll try this third one or explain fourth one. Third, this one minus of x minus 1 whole square plus 10. X minus 1 whole square plus 10. This is homework. And fourth one. F of x is equal to, here given g of x. G of x. G of x is equal to x cube plus 1. G of x is equal to x cube plus 1. Right. Suppose x belongs, that is x belongs to R. X belongs to R. So that is for negative real numbers and positive real numbers. Suppose you apply, you consider means x values and negative values of real numbers. We have what is answer? That value is equal to negative values. Resultant answer is negative values. So if you take positive values, positive values means answer is positive. So therefore, this function has no maximum value, neither maximum value nor minimum value. So then I will not decide maximum value and minimum value. Okay, otherwise derivative test. You see derivative test. Suppose if x tends to infinity, that implies g of x tends to positive infinite values. X tends to minus infinite, that implies g of x tends to minus infinite, that value. Suppose at minus 1 value, minus 1 plus 1, that value is equal to 0. So that value is no maximum or neither maximum. The function g has neither maximum nor minimum. Suppose like a derivative test. Without derivative test, this one. G dash x. What is g dash x? G dash x first derivative is equal to 3x square. First derivative is equal to 3x square plus 1 derivative 0. Right. For getting critical values, g dash x for critical values, g dash x equal to 0. Therefore, 3x square is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. What is g double dash x? G double dash x is equal to, from this one, 6x. Substitute critical value in this one. G double dash 0 is equal to 0. Not decide either greater than or less than. So that's why G has neither maximum nor minimum values. Neither maximum nor minimum values. Like this one, like that, no maximum and no minimum products. Okay, next problems. Find the maximum and minimum values. Find the maximum and minimum values if any of the following functions given by. Second problem. Find the maximum and minimum values. Find the maximum and the minimum values. First problem. f of x is equal to, this is the formula, f of x is equal to x plus 2 minus 1, x plus 2 minus 1, modulus of x plus 2, this is modulus of x plus 2 minus 1. We find out either maximum or minimum values. Suppose first of all take modulus value. Mod x plus 2 always greater than 0. Greater than 0. Suppose if you take x is equal to minus 2, x belongs to R1. If you take x is equal to minus 2 plus 2 value how much? 0. So that's why greater than or equal to 0. Modulus of x plus 2 always greater than or equal to 0. But given function x plus 2 minus 1. Both sides add this minus 1. Minus 1 greater than or equal to minus 1. Greater than or equal to minus 1. Right. This is the function. Therefore, that implies f of x greater than or equal to minus 1. So, total function greater than or equal to minus 1 means it has minimum value. This is the minimum value. So, what is the maximum value? You can't decide maximum value. So, means for substituting any values, this value is increasing. The f of x value increasing. So, not decide that maximum value. What is the minimum value? Minimum value is equal to minus 1. Therefore, f has minimum value. F has minimum value is equal to minus 1. Right. Okay. Second problem. G of x is equal to minus of modulus of x plus 1 plus 3 modulus of x plus 1 plus 3. Right. Take first of all modulus value. Mod x plus 1 always greater than or equal to 0. Mod x plus 1 always greater than or equal to 0. Suppose you apply for this negative sign. Minus of x plus 1 less than or equal to 0. Why means if you multiply negative value, negative sign means negative value are divided by anything for this inequality reverse means inequality changes greater than 2 less than 2 greater than. When you multiply with the negative on both sides, negative value on both sides. Negative value means nothing but minus 1. Minus 1 this side and then this side 0 into minus 1 0. Then inequality reverse. Right. Minus of mod x plus 1 less than or equal to 0. Next minus of mod x plus 1 add plus 3 on both sides 0 plus 3 3. This total value g of x total value always less than or equal to 3, either equal to 3 or less than 3. So that from this what you observe, what you decide here, that is maximum value. 3 is the maximum value. Minimum value not decide. Minimum value, if we increase the values, x values, so the values are less than always 3. Okay, why means this value minus and plus 3, this value more and plus 3, always maybe decreasing, values are decreasing. So that implies g of x less than or equal to 3. Therefore, maximum value is 3 here, maximum value. Therefore, g has maximum value is equal to 3. Maximum is equal to 3. Right. Next problem. Sin 2x h of x. Sin 2x plus 5. sin 2x plus 5. This is the function. We know sin x range. Sin x range, we know. Sin value lies between -1 comma 1. What is domain of sin? Real numbers. Sin x value range -1 to 1. Sin 2x value also multiple, submultiple, that always lies between -1 and 1. Suppose if this is multiple, some multiple value, submultiple means x by 2. Okay, sin 2x also lies between -1 and 1. Right. If you want this function, add 5 on both sides and total inequation, add 5. That implies -1 plus 5 sin 2x plus 5 less than or equal to 1 plus 5. Therefore, this value 4 less than or equal to sin 2x plus 5. This is h of x is equal to 6. So, this function lies between 4 and 6 and include 4 and 6. So, then what is minimum value? Minimum value is equal to 4, maximum value is equal to 6. Minimum value is equal to 4 where sin 2x is equal to -1. So why we sin 2x minimum value -1, sin 2x maximum value 1. So when minimum value of this function is equal to 4 when sin 2x is equal to -1. Right. Maximum value is equal to 6 when sin 2x is equal to 1. Okay. Attends sin 2x attends at 1. Then the maximum value of the function is equal to 6. The minimum value of the function is equal to 4 when sin 2x attends -1. Right. Next question. Fourth one. F of x is equal to sin 4x plus 3. Modulus of sin 4x plus 3. We'll try that problem. First of all, sin 4x and next plus 3 add on both sides. Next concept is modulus concept applied on both sides inequalities. Okay, do like that one. Next fifth one. H of x is equal to x plus 1 comma x belongs to -1 comma 1. X belongs to -1 comma 1. Here also question is what? Find the maximum and the minimum values of the given function. Find the maximum and minimum value of the given function. Okay. Here given interval x belongs to -1 comma 1. These problems meaning x belongs to R, real numbers. Here clearly mentioned x belongs to -1 comma 1. We take given -1 not include, that is open brackets, not include -1 less than x less than 1. It's not include. -1 less than x less than 1. Actual function is x plus 1. So plus 1 add for this inequality. -1 plus 1 less than x plus 1 less than 1 plus 1. This is 0 less than x plus 1 less than 2. This function x plus 1, therefore h of x, it is not possible. Why means given interval is -1 comma 1. So 0 is possible that, but 2 is not possible. Why? Therefore this function has neither maximum nor minimum values. H of x has neither maximum, not minimum values. Neither maximum nor minimum values. So like the students doing this problem, so without differentiation, directly do like this. They ask find maximum and minimum values. Right. Question. Next number 3. Question number 3. Find the local maximum. Find the local maximum and local minimum. Find local maximum and local minimum if any of the following functions. Find the local maximum and local minimum. Find also local maximum and local minimum values. Okay, values and the point. Find the local maximum, local minimum point and the values also. Find the values also. Right. First question. F of x is equal to x square. F of x is equal to x square. How to find local maximum, local minimum means either first derivative test and including the second derivative test also. First derivative test particularly they ask is first derivative test means neighborhood point. So means close to the critical points. Close to critical points means left of the critical point and right of the critical point. When sign changes from positive to negative, that is local maximum value. When sign changes negative to positive, that is local minimum values of the critical points. Okay, right. Therefore, first of all, find f dash x. F dash x is equal to 2x. F dash x is equal to 2x, and for critical values, means for maximum and minimum value finding, f dash x is equal to 0. For maximum minimum, if we equate f dash x first derivative value equal to 0, so that is nothing but getting critical values. Therefore, that implies 2x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. This is the critical point. Okay, right. Now you find f double dash x. F double dash x means second derivative. Second derivative is what? This one. D by dx of 2x, that is equal to 2. So already you got numerical value. Now what this numerical value is greater than 0. F double dash x is equal to 2 greater than 0. So f double dash x is greater than 0 means f has minimum value. F has local minimum value. Okay, what is local minimum value? F of c, f double dash x is equal to c greater than 0. Then it has f has a minimum value. Then what is the minimum value is what you get a critical point. This is the critical point. Substitute in f. Substitute in f. Okay. F of 0 is equal to 0 square is equal to 0. Therefore, f of 0 is equal to 0 is the local minimum value local minimum value at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0 is the minimum point, local minimum point. So what is the graph? F of x is equal to x square graph is like that. So this is the minimum point. Okay, not maximum value not possible. Okay, we restrict some interval, then it is possible. We not restrict interval means so only here possible minimum value. What is minimum value? F of x is equal to x square graph. This is f of x is equal to x square graph. So this is the 0. 0 is the minimum value at x is equal to 0. Right. Okay. Second, g of x is equal to x cube minus 3x. Do this problem over, same like that. First of all, find first derivative for getting critical values or maximum, finding maximum and minimum value. F dash x means here g dash x equal to 0. We will get x value. And next step, next working rule is, next step is g double dash x will find, and in g double dash x substitute the critical value. Depend on that value is greater than 0 or less than 0, you decide maximum or minimum value. So what is maximum or minimum value? That critical point substitute in given function, then that is the maximum value or minimum value. Means nothing much local maximum value or local minimum value. Okay. Third one, h of x is equal to sin x plus cos x, comma 0 less than x less than pi by 2. So x belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. What is x belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 open interval. X belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 open interval. Okay. First of all, find first derivative. First derivative. What is first derivative? Sin x value. Sin x derivative cos x. Sin x derivative cos x. Cos x derivative minus sin x. Cos x derivative minus sin x. For maximum or minimum? Or minimum means for getting critical values, h dash x is equal to 0. H dash x is equal to 0, right? Cos x minus, that implies cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. Sin x is equal to cos x. Divide by cos x on both sides. Tan x is equal to 1. Tan x is equal to 1. So, tan x is equal to 1 for what values? Pi by 4 and remaining values pi plus pi by 4, pi by 4, and next again in the first quadrant 2 plus pi by 4, 9 pi by 4, but here interval given 0 comma pi by 2. 0 comma pi by 2, how many values of at tan x is equal to 1? So only one value, that is tan pi by 4. Tan x is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan x is equal to tan pi by 4. That implies what is x value? Pi by 4 is the critical point. X is equal to pi by 4 is the critical point. Now we find h double dash x. Forget local means beside the local maximum or local minimum value. H double dash x. What is h double dash x? Cos x value, derivative of cos x minus sin x, minus sin x derivative cos x. Therefore, minus of sin x plus cos x Now h double dash pi by 4. H double dash pi by 4. Okay. Minus sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4, that is equal to sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. Therefore h double dash pi by 4 is equal to minus 2 by root 2. This is equal to minus root 2 less than 0. H double dash pi by 4 less than 0. Less than 0 means h has maximum value. It has maximum value. Therefore, what is the maximum value? H of pi by 4. H of pi by 4. What is h of x? Sin x plus cos x. Therefore, sin of pi by 4 plus cos of pi by 4, that implies sin pi by 4 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. LCM is root 2. 1 plus 1 2. Cancel. That implies root 2. H of pi by 4 value is equal to root 2. Therefore, maximum value, local maximum value is root 2 at x is equal to pi by 4. At x is equal to pi by 4. So like this, students, given function and restrict here some interval x belongs to 0, pi by 2. First of all, find first derivative test. Next, h dash x value equal to 0 for getting critical values, means for maxima or minima you are getting critical values equal to 0. From this x is equal to pi by 4. Afterwards, next step is find x double dash x is equal to this value, h double dash x is equal to this one, and substitute this x value, this critical value in this one. We will decide minus root is less than 0. Less than 0 means h has, the function has maximum value. So again the pi by 4, this pi by 4 substitute in the given function. So finally we got answer this one. This is the local maximum value at x is equal to pi by 4. Okay, next one. Fourth one. f of x. F of x is equal to sin x minus cos x 0 less than x less than 2 pi. Same order. We will try this one. Do homework. Fifth question. F of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. Okay. F of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. Okay, find the local maximum and the local minimum. Find first of all given function, right? Next term f dash x. What to write compulsory in the given question? Given f of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. Okay, right? Find f dash x. First derivative, differentiate with respect to x. F dash x is equal to 3x square minus 12x plus 9. 15 derivative 0. Right. Okay. For maximum or minimum, we are getting critical values. F dash x is equal to 0. F dash x is equal to 0. That implies 3x square minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. Take 3 common. 3 of x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. 3 of x square 3 4 12 plus 3 is equal to 0. That implies x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Right. What are the factors? Multiple middle term factorization. That value is equal to 3. Constant and the x quotient value 3. So middle term minus 3 minus 1 minus 3x minus 4x implies x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 minus 3x minus x minus 4x minus 3 to minus 1 plus 3 x of x minus 3 minus 1 of x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 1 comma 3 are the critical points. X is equal to 1 comma 3 critical points. Now we will find f double dash x. F double dash x. This is f dash x. What is f double dash x? 6x minus 12. 6x minus 12. 9 divided to 0. Okay. 2 points. At x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. F double dash 1 is equal to 6 into 1 minus 12 is equal to minus 6 less than 0. Less than f double dash c less than 0 means c means the critical point 1 less than 0. Then f has maximum value. F has maximum value. What is maximum value? F of 1. Substitute this c value in the given function. What is given function? F of 1. 1 whole cube minus 6 1 square plus 9 of 1 plus 15. This is equal to 1 minus 6 plus 9 plus 15 multiply. 1 minus 6 minus 5 plus 9 plus 15 minus 5 plus 15 10 10 plus 9 19. 19 is the maximum value. At x is equal to 1. Okay, 9 is maximum value at x is equal to 1. Now at x is equal to 3. At x is equal to 3. Okay, f double dash 3. F double dash 3. What is f double dash? 6x minus 12. 6 of 3 minus 12. That is equal to 6. 3 is 18 minus 12. 6. Okay, 6 greater than 0. Greater than 0 means f has minimum value. F has minimum. F has minimum value. Okay, what is the minimum value? C value. What is C here? 3 critical point. Substitute in f. F of 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 6 of 3 square plus 9 of 3 plus 15. Therefore, this is 27 and 9 6 54 plus 9 3 is 27 plus 15 is equal to 27 for minus 27. Minus 27. Okay, 9 is plus 27. So plus 27 plus 27. This value cancel. Total value cancel. Remaining value f of 3 is equal to 15 is the minimum value. Is the minimum value. Okay, at x is equal to 3 is the minimum value at x is equal to 3. F of 19 has the maximum value at x is equal to 1. Minimum value is 15 at x is equal to 3. Next, sixth question. G of x is equal to x by 2 plus 2 by x. X greater than 0. G of x is equal to x by 2 plus 2 by x. X greater than 0. Right. By x, only positive values above 0. G dash x differentiate with respect to x. This is 1 by 2. This can be written as 1 by 2 of x plus 2 into 1 by x. Right, like that. So 1 by 2 is the constant. X derivative 1 plus 2 into 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square direct. How means 1 by x can be written as x to the power of minus 1 d by dx of x to the power of minus 1 derivative. What is x to the power of n derivative? N into x to the power of n minus 1. Therefore minus 1 means x to the power of minus 2. Sent to denominator minus 1 by x square. This is the derivative of the 1 by x. Okay. Therefore 1 by 2 minus 2 by x square g dash x. For maxima minima, you want critical values, that is take g dash x is equal to 0. 1 by 2 minus 2 by x square is equal to 0. 2 by x square is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiply, x square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus root 4. X is equal to plus or minus 2. We consider only positive value. So therefore that is it. Therefore take x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Right. G double dash x. G double dash x. 1 by 2 value 0 minus 2 of derivative of 1 by x square. D by dx of 1 by x square. 1 by 2 constant value 0 minus 2 into d by dx of 1 by x square. What is 1 by x square derivative? Minus 2 into, this is d by dx of x to the power of minus 2. Therefore minus 2 into n into x to the power of n minus 1. G double dash x is equal to minus into minus plus 4 of x to the power of minus 3. So finally this is the value. Now decide the maximum minimum value. G double dash 2 is equal to 4 pi 2 cube is is equal to 4.8, 1 by 2 greater than 0. Greater than 0 means G has minimum value. G has minimum value. What is minimum value? Critical value. What is it? 2. G of 2. G of 2 is equal to x by 2 by 2 plus 2 by 2. Therefore, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Minimum value, therefore, is the minimum value. Is the minimum value at x is equal to 2. So, like this is the problem. Next, seventh. Do this homework and next eighth task. Eighth, f of x is equal to x into 1 minus x. This interval given 0 less than x less than 1. So this is g of x, find g dash x first. Next, to for maximum minimum value, finding critical values. G dash x is equal to 0. Find next g double dash x. Afterwards, x values, critical value, substitute in g double dash x. Decide maximum value where, at what value, minimum value at what value. Like this. This is UV formula. Like derivative, first derivative, x into root of 1 minus x. Apply UV formula. Product, derivative product. Next, take f dash x is equal to 0. Next, afterwards find f double dash x. Substitute there. Greater than 0 means f has minimum value. F double dash x less than 0 means f has maximum value. Okay, x value is less than 0 and 1. Next, fourth question. Prove that the following functions. Prove that the following functions do not have maxima or minimum. Maxima or minimum in this first part. F of x is equal to e power x. F of x is equal to e power x. Right. Given what is f of x? Given f of x is equal to e power x. F dash x is equal to e power x is always greater than 0. Greater than 0. Therefore, here no maximum and no minimum value. F dash x equal x always greater than 0. Therefore, f has no maximum or no minimum value. No maximum and no minimum value. So for all x belong x values, for all values of x is always greater than 0, not beside maximum value or minimum value. Right. Second, G of x is equal to log x. Second bit, g of x is equal to log x. What is log x domain? Log x domain is 0 to infinity. X belongs to x. 0 to infinite. Okay, log x domain is 0 to infinite. Okay, right. G dash x. G dash x means first derivative, that implies 1 by x. Log x derivative 1 by x. For maxima or minima, this is greater than 0. 1 by x greater than 0. Why means log x domain 0 to infinite. That implies that value 1 by x. G dash x 1 by x always greater than 0 for maxima or minima. G dash x is equal to 0. That implies 1 by x is not equal to 0. Why means if you take is equal to 0 means x value is nothing, not defined. Therefore 1 by x not equal to 0. Therefore G has no maxima or no minimum values. No maxima or no minimum values. Right. Third one. H of x. H of x is equal to x cube x square plus x plus 1. Solution. Given function what? H of x is equal to x cube x square plus x plus 1. Find h dash x. H dash x is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 1. For maxima or minima, h dash x is equal to 0. For critical values, so that implies 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. What are the factors? Direct factors means product is equal to 3 and addition, middle term summation is equal to. So no factors like directly. So apply formula using ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus dx plus c is equal to quadratic equation. What is formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a by 2a. Okay. Take this one. Compare. Just to take compare. Compare. What is A? A is equal to 3. B is equal to 2. C is equal to 1. X is equal to minus B. Minus 2 plus or minus root of 2 square minus 4 into A into 6 4ac divided by 2 into 1. Therefore minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 12 divided by 2. So minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 12 means minus 8 by 2 under square root, that is minus 8. There are no real values. Therefore x has no real values. No real values. So what is imaginary values? Means root of minus 8 means in terms of complex numbers. Therefore x has no real values. Therefore it has no maximum or no minimum values. No maximum or no minimum values. Correct. Okay, students, like this finding maximum value or minimum value or local maximum local minimum values. Remaining problems will continue in the next class.